Epson SuperColor P400 is a product of the Epson
Expand
brand.
your creative potential with
The
the
company
Epson
produces
SureColor
the product
P400.
in a single
This
color
affordable
version,
printer
which is
produces
black.
vibrant, archival prints
Therefore,
on an impressive
you may
range of
not have
papers,
an option
and is
if you
ideal
don't
for
love
DIY,
black.
photography, and
However,
art projects.
the black is
The
shiny,
P400
which
has
adds to
advanced
its
features
beauty and
like fine art
attraction.
and roll paper printing, using
Epson
durable,
SureColor
pigment-based inks.
P400 comes
It
packed
also
in a
offers the
box
latest in
with
wired
7
and
ink
wireless
cartridges,
networking to
photo
make it
black,
easy to print from
matte
anywhere in your
black,
home or office.
cyan, magenta,
Using 8-color
yellow,
Epson
red,
Ultrachrome
gloss optimizer,
HG2 pigment
and
ink,
orange.
the
Printer
P400 produces
documentation,
beautiful
setup
archival prints
guide,
that are
CD
highly
print
water,
tray and
smudge,
software,
and fade
power
resistant,
cable,
with
and roll
individual
paper holder.
14-milliliter cartridges. Red and
Regarding
orange inks
speed,
ensure
Epson
deep reds,
SuperColor
richer skin tones,
P400
and
does not
vibrant,
take a
true-to-life
top
color.
position.
Gloss Optimizer
However,
gives
it
prints
does
a
better
smooth
when it
finish,
comes to
just like
paper
photos from a
printing.
professional lab.
I
Dedicated
tested the
channels
printer
for
by
photo
printing
and
a
matte black
4
inks
by 6
deliver
inch
rich
photo.
blacks on matte, fine art,
The photo
or glossy
quality
media
was high,
simply
which
and
is the
easily.
standard for
The
Epson.
P400 can handle
The
almost
photo
any kind of
took an
paper
average of
and
1
includes an
minute
auto
and
sheet
10
feeder
seconds
to
to be
support
printed.
photo, matte, and
I
plain
also
paper,
printed an
and a rear
8-inch by
single sheet
10-inch
fine art
photo,
paper pad
and the
for
printer
heavier fine
completed
art
the
papers
task
and
within
specialty
2
media.
minutes and 20
It also
seconds.
prints on 8.3 or
I
13-inch
used the
wide roll
printer
paper
to print a
for panoramas
5-page
up to
text-only
129
document.
inches long, even on
It
canvas.
took an average of
And a
5
front straight-through
ppm,
pad
which is
handles
very slow,
artboard up to
considering that this
1.3
printer
millimeters
only
thick.
specializes in
To make it
text
easy
and
to print
photo
anywhere in
printing.
your home, office, or
It takes
studio,
even
the
longer to
P400
produce
offers complete
PowerPoints,
connectivity,
Excel,
including
and spreadsheet
Ethernet,
documents.
wireless N, and USB 2.0.
So, in a nutshell,
Designed to
like
take your
nearly
creativity
dedicated
further,
picture
the
printers
SureColor
should,
P400
Epson
delivers
SureColor
vibrant color with
P400
long-lasting
photo
pigment
printers
inks,
prioritize
fine art,
print quality
photographic
above
and roll
speed.
paper printing,
However, the
wireless
P400
connectivity.
is still a rapid printer. Based on the photo size, printing takes about 2 minutes on photo paper or fine art paper, which is quicker than most other Epson printers. This is why it's the greatest picture printer, a big format printer, and ideal for paper. Text documents don't work well with it, but they will get the job done in a pinch. The wide-format Epson SureColor P400 printers produce fantastic, high-quality photos. And although the P400 has fewer individual black ink cartridges, it can still easily print on a black backdrop. Text pages are clear, persistent, and easily readable, despite the slow speed. The P400 uses a cutting-edge micro-piezo AMC 8-channel, 1-inch wide print head that creates droplets with a lower limit of 1.5 pl and an ink repellent surface. It has AccuPhoto HG imaging technology, an 8-cartridge Ultrachrome HG2 pigment-based ink set, and a high resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi for the pictures it creates. When printing, you'll receive the best results regardless of the paper you're printing on, thanks to technology that enables the printer to automatically pick black ink, switching between matte and picture black ink channels. P400 and P800 color prints are virtually interchangeable. Since the P400 has specific inks for reds and oranges, I saw significantly more vivid reds and oranges in several testing. Overall, especially with glossy prints using Gloss Optimizer, its color reproduction is excellent. In my testing, photo prints ranged from decent to exceptional, with the majority of prints being of a gallery-worthy caliber. In one print, I did detect a sizable tinge. The P400 performed admirably well when printing photographs with black or extremely dark backgrounds, despite not having many black or near-black cartridges. Text quality on my regular fonts was great for an inkjet, comparable to a laser, and typically extremely good on the unique typefaces in our suite. The graphics quality was below average for an inkjet printer, but better than normal for a printer almost exclusively used for photos. Epson SuperColor P400 has 8 ink cartridges: photo black, matte black, yellow, cyan, magenta, red, gloss optimizer, and orange. When writing this review, each ink cartridge costs $17.99 in Epson. Each ink cartridge holds 14 milliliters, which is intentional by Epson to prevent them from going bad, even though for large-scale printers, it means you will have to refill your inks, thus making it more expensive frequently. Due to the high cost of running the printer, you may want to save on some costs, and here is my advice for you. I advise purchasing 8.5x 11-inch sheets and reducing them to size before printing if you want to save money on paper. You'll gain a more precise cut while saving time. Physically, it resembles the P600 almost exactly, although the P400 does not have a color touchscreen. From left to right, the controls panel are an indication of the network status, a power button, a Wi-Fi connect button, a paper feed/cancel button, an ink button that switches the print head to the replacing cartridge position, and a roll paper button for unloading and loading roll paper. Additionally, power and ink status indicators are provided by lights. The P400 boasts a sleek, contemporary style and is completely black. It's as little as I can imagine for a 1/3 printer, which one would assume would take up a lot of space. It measures 2.4 across, 8 high, and 1.3 deep. However, it can only fit on the desk if you have extended input and output trays. You must, therefore, create some space for it. The paper feed can hold 30 sheets of picture paper or 120 sheets of ordinary paper. Up to 13 inches broad by 19 inches long of paper can fit within. Paper rolls 13 inches wide can be supported by a different feed on the printer's back panel. There is a spot to mount the manual feed tray at the back panel, which is used for fine art papers that are far heavy for the conventional feed. On the front of the printer, above the output tray, is a pull-down cover that conceals another feed. This input is used to feed thick poster boards or fine art paper. Additionally, here is where the tray that prints on printable optical disc media are fed. The different trays take out and put back in. The roller attachments are simple to install, and the machine looks extremely good overall. With the technology today, efficiency depends on a printer's connectivity options. Epson SureColor P400 has a wide range of connectivity options. It allows for connection via Ethernet cable, USB cable, and Wi-Fi. Further, you can print wirelessly from your mobile or PC. With the help of the free iPrint app from Epson, you can send photographs wirelessly from a camera or mobile device that supports the technology. Wi-Fi is useful for fast photographs, but most photographers will undoubtedly prefer to print from their PCs while using an image editing program. The drawback, however, is that the printer cannot print from Google Cloud and Apple's AirPrint. Most printers have implemented such features. Therefore, consider them if you need them. Epson SureColor P400 is a user-friendly printer, which may be a good place to start if you are a beginner photographer. However, if you need a highly efficient and dedicated printer for high-quality products, our advanced brothers such as P600 and P800. The printer produces outstanding photographs, thanks to its 7-color ink cartridges. It also allows print in wide formats up to 13-inch by 19-inch papers. Besides, you may also print roll papers, because they are equipped with features supporting roll papers. The drawback, however, is that the printer lacks a screen, therefore, it is difficult to set up some functions, e.g. Wi-Fi. Speed is also something you must consider before buying this printer. It is very slow, especially in printing texts and colored documents. This doesn't apply to photo printing, which is relatively fast.